What's up, guys? So I just got back from work. Obviously I didn't wear makeup today, but because I did wake up super early and I did not feel like putting makeup on. So it's 2:50 and I got in my comfy clothes and I decided that I wanted to show you guys how I meal prep. I'm gonna be making chicken and rice and some peppers, and I guess I'm just gonna like show you the process. I don't know, I thought it'd be a video idea to, show you guys what I make to meal prep. Even though I showed you guys like what I eat to meal prep, I thought I might show you the process. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm just gonna roll to the next clip. Okay guys, so first things first, we're just gonna wash our hands. Basic, simple stuff. Next, we're gonna cut the chicken. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this chicken. I got this chicken at Walmart. You can get like any type of chicken you want. I don't really know. If you guys want to follow this little meal prep, you could just buy any chicken, I guess, because chicken's good. So yeah, I'm gonna cut all the fat off of the chicken, and we're just gonna cut all that off because we don't want that. We don't want fat stuff on our chicken. So yeah, cutting all that off, and then I'm gonna cut the breast in half because it is pretty thick, so you kind of get more chicken out of it if you just cut it in half. So that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna cut it, cutting away, cut. Okay, so cutting more. You're just gonna cut it in long strands first, and then you're gonna cut it the other way so you can make it into cubes. So yeah, make it into like little cubular, I don't know, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, you want it to look like that. So you're gonna do that to the rest of the chicken. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl I had to the side. So put it in like an extra container so you can put it in there to cut the rest of the chicken. So as you see here, I cut another piece of chicken. Damn, I'm moving fast. Okay, so yeah, heat that up. I'm gonna add some oil to it so the chicken doesn't get stuck to the pan. And yeah, that's what I like to do. So get that on the pan, rub, dub. Okay, so we're going to get the rice ready. So I like to use brown rice. You can use any type of rice you want, but I prefer brown. It is much healthier. And then I'm gonna pour 5 cups of that into the pot. So 5 cups of brown rice. And then after I'm done with that, I'm basically just gonna add some water. So 6 cups of water. Basic, simple cooking. I don't know. Okay, shut up, Destiny. But yeah, add the water. After we're done adding the water, we're gonna put it back into the little cooker. So it's a little. So yeah, make sure it's plugged in, and then I want to add some bay leaves. So I like to add some bay leaves in there, make it cook with it, and then we're gonna start it. Press brown rice, and yeah. So I cut half of the chicken already, so I'm gonna put it on the pan now that it's heated up. So I'm gonna cook that. Oopsie, forgot a little chicken. Okay. Anyways, yeah, cook that, and yeah. So while that's cooking or whatever, I'm going to put the lid on and then cut the rest of the chicken. So I'm going to do that, and then fast forward, chicken's almost done. Yep. So I like to wait for all the water to come out of the chicken to season it. So I wait for it to be like almost, basically done cooking. So I'm going to let it cook a little longer. As you see there, I cut the rest of the chicken, So yeah, I think that was the other half of the chicken that I cooked. I just fast forwarded as it was being cooked, I guess, but yeah, I empty all the water out of it. So yeah, this is the other half of the chicken. I just fast forwarded, and then I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So added the seasoning. Yeah. Gonna mix all that chicken and then let it cook for a little longer. So as that's finished, we're gonna just dump it into another container. So yeah, that other chicken that you saw there, that was the chicken before, and then I fast forwarded it to the other half of the chicken. Okay, shut up. I said chicken too many times. But yeah, I'm gonna just wash that because I'm going to be cutting some peppers and stuff like that. So making sure the pan is super clean, squeaky clean. I don't want chicken residue on my peppers, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And I'm also going to clean the little spatula there. So clean that, making sure it's clean for the peppers. So I'm basically doing the same thing, putting oil on the pan so nothing sticks to it. And then, yeah, rub that in there. I'm going to cut the red, orange, and green peppers. So I've been loving peppers lately, so this week that I was meal prepping or whatever, I decided to cut some peppers. I don't normally cut peppers with my chicken and rice, but this day I just decided to cut peppers. But yeah, I wanted to make it colorful, so I got red, orange, and green. Left out the yellow one, but I'm the only one that eats it, so yeah, I'm making meals for me and my boyfriend, so he doesn't like peppers, but I do. So this is going to be added to my bowls. So yeah, I'm just cutting away, put it in a little bowl there, and then dump it on the pan. So yeah, simple stuff, piece of cake. Make sure and then I got some cilantro. So yeah, you're gonna want cilantro to cut because I'm gonna add this to the rice later. So you can add a little more than half of the little bundle, and then you're gonna cut some cilantro. So I kind of got the idea of adding cilantro to the rice from Chipotle because Chipotle puts cilantro on their rice, so it's pretty good. I thought I might try it, or actually my boyfriend brought me the ideas because he used to work at Chipotle, so yeah, he gave me the idea. So yeah, I'm just cutting cilantro and making sure it's nice and small pieces so it's not like too chunky or anything like that. But yeah, and then I'm gonna check on those peppers, make sure they're cooking good. I don't know. Yeah, checking on the rice. Seems like we got like 13 minutes left, so yeah, we're gonna wait on that and then check on the peppers again. Fast forward. Looks like they're pretty much done. So 3 more minutes left on the rice. So we're gonna take out those bay leaves. And we don't want those in there when we mix up everything. So fast forward, I put the cilantro in there, mixed it all up, and then we're gonna add some lemon. So we got some lemon. Then we're gonna put a cup of lime into the rice. Yeah, so that's what we like to do. Make it nice and flavorful. Mix it up, and then we're just about done. We just gotta put everything in the containers. Got it in the container, and then got it at the chicken. So those 4 bowls there, those are mine because I like less rice. And yeah, that's mine, and those are his. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of my meal prepping. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.